Alrighty, here we are with the most hated camera in 2024, the Panasonic S9 with the 50mm 1.8. I'm in Los Angeles. I'm at a park I've never been to, never seen it, and I'm gonna see if I'm good enough to be a nature photographer. So we're at the halfway point of my camera test, and to be honest, before I came out here, I said to myself, just try a new look, and then shoot X-Pan mode. Just see what this park would look like, wide in X-Pan mode. I mean, the park does look pretty sick, but once I got here, I was like, I don't think X-Pan mode is the perfect fit. Like, maybe X-Pan mode for nature photography isn't the way to go. Maybe it is, but today I didn't shoot X-Pan mode. I just shot, I think it's 16:9. Maybe it's not. Might be 3:2. I don't remember. But, man, the camera's performing well. The S9 is pretty versatile. Nice little train action. But yeah, I'm gonna take a couple more shots and I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'll be right back. All right, I think that's gonna do it. Don't know if I'm good enough to be a nature photographer or not, but I like the images that I got today. I had a different goal before I got here, but switch the plane on the go and just get to shooting. Pretty amazing that this park is in the middle of LA.